Hey everybody, it's Jackie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Black Friday haul for you. I did most of my Black Friday shopping over at Beautylish. They were having a sale on Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and I tried to get the Jeffree Star Christmas mystery box. I had problems with the website like a lot of people did. I actually logged in the very minute that it went live, and I placed the largest box and the medium box in my cart, and it said not to refresh or I'd lose my place in line. Anyways, after being on hold for 54 minutes, and I've got a screenshot, it went, and of course the items were sold out. I was able to get a mini box, and I'm sure you've seen all the drama with the mini boxes. So, because what I've done is, if you've watched my channel, I canceled my BoxyCharm subscriptions, Boxy Luxe, Boxy Premium, Boxy Regular, the 6-month. I still have a few coming, but I thought instead of getting random things, that I would just take that money and buy mystery boxes, because those have gotten really popular this year. I think 2019 was the year of the mystery box, and usually the mystery boxes, like Ofra had one for $15, they just had one today for $20. Jeffree's mini box was $20, and I thought I would just take and invest in the mystery boxes of the brand of my choice. That way I know that I would get something that I like. Excuse my dog's barking. There must be somebody out there. But anyways, okay, I guess I'll just continue on unless this gets too crazy. But anyways, so here is my Jeffree Star mini box. I finally got it, and to my surprise and delight, I got a refund from Jeffree, which I thought was a classy thing to do, because I do remember the ad did say 3 cosmetic items, and I think the stickers are really cool. Of course, these are the stickers that everybody got, and I do like them, but it isn't a cosmetic item. Now, I figured I'd get, you know, a crazy unwearable color, but I was expecting a cosmetic item. But I mean, for 20 bucks, I mean, and he's got to ship the box and then pay for the special packaging. I wasn't going to be mad about it for 20 bucks, but anyways, it was nice to get the refund. That was a little Christmas thing. So what I got was the chocolate covered strawberry velour the lip scrub, and actually I've just been eating it. But lip scrubs do come in handy this time of year. I've been having the chap lips, and this is so delicious. It smells just like chocolate covered strawberries. It tastes delicious, and I'm very happy to have it. I bought 1 or 2 of his Jawbreaker. I can't remember what I got, but I'm very happy to have the chocolate covered strawberry. That's nice. And the stickers, I do like the stickers, because I'm going to stick them on. I have different Jeffree Star, like I have a cosmetics bag. I have boxes that I store my Jeffree Star cosmetics in. So I actually do like the stickers, and I am going to use them. So I'm not disappointed with them at all. It's not a cosmetic item, but I mean, I'm not going to nitpick a $20 box. But anyways, and then I got the 818 Peach shade, which is a totally wearable shade. I thought I might get the green mistletoe or a red shade or something more Christmassy. I think this is one of Jeffree's original releases, but it is in a real pretty pink peach. And I'm not crazy about, I love the shades, but I find Jeffree's Velour Liquid Lips very drying. I mean, not long after I put them on, I just, you know, they start getting tighter and tighter and tighter like a rubber band. So not my favorite liquid lipstick. I do like the unusual colors that he has, but I usually find myself wanting it off my lips. I prefer Ofra's liquid lipstick. That's my #1 favorite, and Dose of Colors being my #2. So not a fan. I do have a lot of Jeffree liquid lipsticks, and I did actually just buy one more, but not a fan, but for unusual colors, I do like to buy it. But I was very happy with my Christmas box. I want to congratulate Jeffree on his new house. I'm so excited for him getting the place in Hidden Hills. I watched Rich Lux's video on that, and the house tour. I hope Jeffree doesn't paint it pink. Jeffree, don't paint it pink. It's so beautiful. But I'm sure whatever he does, it'll be great. I'm very happy for him, and I just watched his moving video, and that was a lot of fun. I woke up at 2 o'clock this morning, couldn't go back to sleep, and I was like, oh gosh. And so I was really happy to find Jeffree's moving video, so I watched that on his reel. All his clothes that he is, and I'm proud of him because I'm a bit of a hoarder myself. I'm a makeup hoarder. I do have some clothes and stuff. I have been donating, but I'm so proud of him for just emptying his closets and selling it. And I'm going to go over it. Hopefully on RealReal.com they do a separate section for him for all his clothes to look at and bid. I mean, I'd like to have something, but I can't afford anything that Jeffree owns, that's for sure. But anyways, that was really fun to watch that. So I was happy to get my little Christmas mini box, and very happy for him. So what I did, because I was going to buy the $100 large box, which I couldn't get, I thought, well, I'm going to, and I spent $20 on the little box, and I got that as a refund. And not at the time, but I thought, well, I'll take the $80 difference and go over to Beautylish, because they were having a Jeffree Star haul, a sale for Black Friday, and I was like, I'll pick out some things there, and that'll be like getting a box, except for I'm going to love everything I get. I mean, which isn't always the case, but Jeffree's boxes are, worth double, sometimes triple what he charges. So anyways, I went over to Beautylish, and Beautylish is awesome, and they package everything super safely. So I got my Black Friday, and they were having a big sale, and they used the Jeffree Star paper, which is so pretty, and they package everything. That is one thing about Beautylish. If you order something, it's not going to be broken, because they package everything. You can see that the packages are top and bottom, packaged very nicely, and it's always signed, by who actually packed your box. And then they've got a sample, and then there's more packaging on the bottom here for cushioning. So if you order something from Beautylish, you are not, it's the best packaging in the business. So the team over there, Nils, and everybody over at Beautylish, thank you so much for packaging. So I've had my eye on some Jeffree Star Skin Frost for a couple years now, and their Skin Frosts are $29. And there were some shades over there that I really wanted, and they had them on sale for $18.85 a piece. So that is a fantastic deal on the $29 Skin Frost. So I went over, and I've always wanted Lavender Snow, and I've always wanted Mint Condition. So this is the Mint Condition Skin Frost. It's a $29 Skin Frost. I got it for $18.85 for the Jeffree Star Black Friday sale over at Beautylish. And I really think that's the way to go. Just, instead of getting a random, but I did want the Christmas items, but that's okay, because I wanted to buy this last year and I didn't buy it. And this is my, except for the Halloween box with the mystery Skin Frost there, this is the first time I've bought a Skin Frost. It's huge, and this is Mint Condition, and I absolutely love it. It is a beautiful mint green. It's a huge pan. This will last you forever, but I also thought it'd make a good eyeshadow. And I know green is not the highlighter color but I just think it's so pretty and so unusual, and I just love it. And it's just a beautiful, beautiful color, and I've always wanted it. So I didn't get the mystery box, but I noticed that the Candy Apple Drip color was in a lot of the Christmas boxes. So if I'd got one, I might have gotten Candy Apple Drip or the Peppermint Frost. But Mint Condition is a color that is just so pretty and so gorgeous, and I'm so happy to have it. So I'm beyond thrilled to get that for $18.85 over at Beautylish, because I like an unusual highlighter color sometimes, and it's just minty goodness. It's just so beautiful and so stunning, and I'm very happy to have it. So it made not getting the Christmas box a whole lot easier to take, because Black Friday deals are just the best, and of course the excellent packaging from Beautylish is very much appreciated. So then I got, this is from his Jawbreaker collection. This is a Velour Liquid Lip, and again, like I said, I found them very drying, but he has unusual colors. This is Purple Urkle, and I wanted it when it came out, and the Velour Liquid Lipsticks are $18, and I think I got it for $10. Let me see what I got it for. I forget what I got it for. I think it was $10 and something, or maybe it was $13.50. I don't know, but I've always wanted this color, so I got it. And it was, I think it was $10.30. I don't remember. But here's Purple Urkle, and it looks like a from the Jawbreaker collection, and I just think it's so pretty. And I love the chartreuse. I love his lime green. This is the color of the cosmetic bag that I bought, the chartreuse green, but that is so pretty. I'm looking forward to trying it. I do like the colors, and I wish he'd just reformulate a little bit. I don't know what it is. There's something in here that just dries my lips out terribly, and I just want to take it off. I can't stand it. So I have a lot of his Velour Liquid Lips, and I've got his mini sets, the mini Velour Liquid Lips. But in the future, this is one item I will not be purchasing again until he reformulates it. I bought it because I wanted this color last year, and it was on sale, and I got a good deal. But I definitely, it looks good. It's just, I want it off my mouth. I just don't like it. But anyways, okay. So I got another Skin Frost. Now this one is Lavender Snow. And I wanted a purple highlighter, and I wanted a green highlighter. And I've got a couple of his palettes with some purples and some greens in it, like Northern Lights. And I've got, let's see, what's another one of his? I can't remember. But anyways, this is Lavender Snow. And I wanted it to be more purple, I'll be honest with you. And he's got a discontinued color, Jeffree, that I was going back and forth between Jeffree and Lavender Snow, and I don't know, I don't think this is purple enough for me. I think I'm still on the hunt. This doesn't look very purple. It looks more, I guess it does. Maybe it's how the light hits it. I don't know. It's very, very, it's not very purple to me. Yeah. It's just, I just don't see the purple. I mean, it's pretty, and it's definitely very shiny, but it's almost more, I don't know, I want more purple. I want more purple on that. It's a very, very, well, I guess that makes it more wearable. I mean, a purple highlighter, but I would like more purple. I'm a little disappointed in the shade. I mean, I don't know. It's just not purple enough. It's in person now. You know, it looks more purple than on camera than it does in person. In person, it almost looks like a very, very light gray. I mean, I don't know. I gotta wear it. Maybe it looks better on the cheeks, and then it doesn't. Maybe it'll show up better. That's what I just need to do, is I just need to wear it. But anyway, so that's Lavender Snow, and that's it. That's what I got in lieu of my Christmas box. So I'm happy to have those. I love the mint condition. A little disappointed in the Lavender Snow, so I might be looking into Jeffree next year if I can still get it, or maybe he'll come out with another purple highlighter. I know he's got his Extreme Frost out for $50 now. I'm not paying $50 for a highlighter. That's just ridiculous. But I mean, maybe he's got a big mortgage payment now. I don't know, was that house, was that like 16.5 million? What'd he pay? I don't know. It looks like it was worth every penny. I watched the video is amazing. It's an amazing house. Congratulations, Jeffree. Thank you for the free mini box. That was a classy thing to do. Not necessary, but classy, so I just wanted to put that out there. And my name's Jackie. Please like, subscribe, tune in. I have more Black Friday Beautylish coming up because I bought a ton of Inglot. But anyways, that was my makeup for not getting, that was my makeup to myself for not getting my Jeffree Star box. So anyways, I'm not paying those scalp. This is what Jeffree needs to do. He needs to not let people have 6 items. It's like when they're going to sell out like that, it needs to be 1 per person. If you get one and can get back in line, that's great because people got their friends. And, you know, for all this stuff just to wind up on eBay for double price is just total crap because people who are fans and really want the boxes for Christmas are not getting them. And the people who don't give a rat's and they just want to, you know, resell it, it's not right. It's not right at all. So when there's a limited item like a Christmas box, it should be limit 1 per person unless he's going to make, you know, more quantity. Okay? It's not like a regular item, you know, that you can buy 6 of. It should be 1 per person so everybody can get a box. And actually, that goes as well for the Beautylish Lucky Bags because the Beautylish Lucky Bags are fixing to come up after Christmas. And Beautylish, that's another deal. You need to limit that. And you had the $1,000 before, you had to spend $1,000 to get a box, and then they lifted that last year. And then people who regularly buy from Beautylish, like myself, weren't able to get a box. And then other people came in and scooped them up. And same thing last year, I was able to get a regular bag. So I hope, you know, when people are doing mystery boxes and there's a limited quantity, they need to limit 1 per email address. And, you know, if you get one and you can get back in line and get another one, that's great. But, I mean, to start out, it should be 1 per person. So that is my deal on that. Thank you so much. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. My name's Jackie. I'm 56. I like all things beauty. I'm really kind of dialing it back for 2020 because I have more makeup than I can possibly... now I do resell some of my things on eBay, things that I buy and did not use, but if you're looking at my eBay is Jackie asterisk blue, like Jackie Blue the song with an asterisk in between. All my items are purchased by me with the intent to use, but for whatever reason I didn't use them. But anyways, all guaranteed authentic. So if you're looking for some cosmetic items, I have a bunch of my Urban Decay palettes up right now. But anyways, okay, thank you so much. Talk to you later. All right, bye-bye.